In this video, we'll show you how to access the BIOS menu on your Dell laptop. So to do this, you first need to turn on your laptop and then immediately press the F2 key repeatedly. On some Dell laptops, you may need to press the F12 key instead. So I'll just turn on the laptop and then keep pressing the F2 key repeatedly. Keep pressing it until you see this BIOS menu. Now if for some reason this doesn't work and your laptop boots to Windows desktop, there's also another way to do this. Head to the search menu and then type in change advanced startup settings. Now select the first result that appears. Now in the settings app that opens, click the restart now button right here and then click on restart now to confirm. Now simply wait for your laptop to boot. Now you should see this blue screen. Here you will need to click on this troubleshoot option. Now here click on advanced options. Now go to UEFI firmware settings. So click on that and then finally select the restart option. Once you do, your laptop will restart one more time and this time it will boot into BIOS menu. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.